everyone! Welcome back to D.D Blacksmithing. This is just another little channel update of me talking about what's yet to come. There hasn't been quite the weekly upload schedule that I wanted, but it should get a bit more consistent as things settle down a bit. As you can see, the walls in the workshop are painted white. Yeah, I'm doing the bathroom right now. I didn't actually do any of these walls. That was all Elizabeth. I was off sick. And in there, we have all the machines kind of needed to get set up. Like they're all just all over the place right now, but once we have everything in here sorted, and we've got everything off the trailer, and we just got everything in a big heap, we'll just organise it all, stick the racks on the wall. It should make things a lot easier. Then we'll move the machines into place, and then there's the electrics in there, and you know, a couple things in the bathroom, and we'll get the sink installed and all that kind of stuff. So it should still take some time, but it's getting there. As you can see, the progression is noticeable, and it's great. It makes such a difference having these white walls, doesn't it? Just the lighting is just so much better. There's a patch right now that hasn't got it on, but you can see that the light coming through the windows is enough. We've got a light on right now, but like before it was a lot darker than this, just from the very background being so dark. So that changes a lot. The lighting should just be better from now on. You know, there's still the issue of the audio echoing a little bit, but there's nothing that will fix that. I guess when all the machines are put in, the audio should be a little bit more like grounded, a little bit more muffled and not echoed. One more thing, the camera is brand new. I got a new phone. This was the old phone I was using, and the old camera I was using. The phone that I'm using right now, the what's it called? It's the Huawei Mate Lite that I've got, and it's a great camera for the price of the phone. It's a good mid-range camera, and I'm not quite sure the comparison yet between the two, but we'll see. In fact, I can do that right now, because look, here's another good feature. I can still use this phone as a camera. You know, it still works, and there's no, you know, I don't have to get rid of the phone in any way. So I just want to see if I start the footage right now on this phone. I could have a second camera from a second perspective if I really want. If the need arises, I can have a second camera perspective set up on one of my other tripods on another angle of what you're seeing. It could be either side of the anvil, for example, or either side of the power hammer. It opens up some new options. I didn't really think about it beforehand, but now I have. Now I think it's a great idea. Because look, you can probably, I'll try and edit this together so it will kind of swap between the footage. But you can see probably the difference between the camera. I mean, this one I think has got a lower FPS, as well as the lighting kind of goes all weird. It tries to adjust the lighting way too often. The other camera should fix that, so expect better quality with the lighting as well. I'm saying that, but I haven't actually seen this camera in the best of its abilities just yet. I need to test that out, which is another purpose of this video. So I'll end this video here. Goodbye, camera 2. And camera 1, which is the main one now. Goodbye as well. Hope this was useful to you. I mean, not much in the video, just telling what's new, showing off the new walls, the brand new nice shiny walls, and also new camera. So other than that, nothing else to report on, and expect new content very soon. I know the upload schedule's been a bit off, but definitely expect some more uploads. So I'll see you guys next week probably. See you.